Hello everybody, I'm Illece Buckley Weber, the Mayor of the City of Agoura Hills, and I'm here to give you an update today. You haven't heard from me in a few weeks because frankly things are moving very slowly and there was nothing to report, but I do have some good news today. So here's our COVID update. The bad news is that the confirmed cases in Agoura Hills continue to rise. As of yesterday, we had 160 confirmed cases. On the county level, however, I have good news. Deaths are down, hospitalizations are down, and now the confirmed cases are below 1,000 per day. As a point of reference, at our spike in July, we had over 2,200 hospitalizations per day. Now we are under 700. Many of you heard about Governor Newsom's 4-tier reopening plan. LA County is in the purple tier, the most restrictive tier, which is called Tier 1. There are two metrics that we need to reach to move into Tier 2, the red tier. The first is that we need to have 7 or less new cases of COVID per 100,000 people. And the second is that our positivity test rate must be 3% or less. As of yesterday, LA County reached both metrics. We have 7 new cases per 100,000 and our positivity test rate is 2.8%. Again, as a point of reference, during our July spike, our positivity test rate was 8%. If we stay here, we should be able to move to Tier 2 by the end of next week or the following week. If we go back up, we will need to wait another 14 days to consider moving to Tier 2. There is a 14-day wait period to move to a less restrictive tier. Schools. Many schools in the county have reopened for in-person instruction for high needs and high-risk children. The data over the next 2 weeks will be critical to determine when and if schools may reopen for other children with significant protocols in place. We know how anxious parents and children are to go back to school, and we empathize with you. For a diversion, be sure to check out the city's new Rec Flix live stream activities on the city's website, agourahillscity.org. Flu season. Now, I told you a couple of months ago that the county wants us to have our flu shots in September, and I told you too that I'm afraid of needles, but I did go just a day or two ago before today's address so that I could tell you it was absolutely nothing, and even I didn't even feel it. So again, the county is still urging us weekly to encourage all of you to go out and get the flu shot. And mainly so there'll be as little demand as possible on the healthcare system associated with the flu. The vaccine is safe and effective for fighting the flu. Even if you don't normally get the flu vaccine, please do so this year and help alleviate the chance of overburdening our healthcare system and our healthcare workers. The county also wants you to know that it has significant testing capacity. If you know anyone who thinks they might have been exposed or has any kind of COVID-19 symptoms or lives in a shared living space, roommates, dorm, anything like that, please let them know that testing is available throughout the county. The results are quick, and these actions ultimately slow the spread of the virus. The city of Agoura Hills still has some funds available in its grant program for small businesses. Please go to our website for more information, agourahillscity.org. For Halloween this year, Haunted Hempstead has been canceled. Traditional trick-or-treating is strongly discouraged. The city is brewing up a celebration, however, so stay in touch. The winter holidays will be here before we know it. Our local businesses really need us. If all of us buy at least one gift or one gift certificate at a local business, we will be doing a mitzvah. Now is the time for our community to join together, step up, and shop small and shop local. Many small businesses cannot survive an unsuccessful holiday season. Involve your family members. Every person in the family purchase one gift. It can be small, it can be large. Explore our businesses or one gift certificate. There are over 20,000 people in the city of Agoura Hills. Each of our purchases will make a difference. So before you jump on Amazon, please think local. A reimagined Reyes Adobe Days is next weekend, October 1st through 4th. There will be a 5K run that you participate on your own time. There is a competitive coloring contest for both adults and children. And this year's Grand Marshal is, drumroll, is you, the residents of the city of Agoura Hills. So please go through your photos over the weekend, post your photos of you at prior Reyes Adobe Days activities, whether it's in the park, whether it's in the parade, night at the Adobe or the Fiesta or any other event. Please send us your photos. Actually, I'm going to ask you to post them on hashtag RAD2020, that's hashtag RAD 2020, and hashtag RAD2020 Grand Marshal with one L 2020. Again, that's hashtag RAD Grand Marshal with one L 2020. To register for these activities and for more information about the 2020 Reyes Adobe Days, please go to reyesadobedays.org. Earlier this week, the council adopted a resolution declaring Clean Air Day on October 7th, 2020. Consider walking to the store on October 7th or doing an errand by riding a bike. For more information about Clean Air Day, visit cleanairday.org and join in reducing our greenhouse gases and protecting our planet. The State of the City will be virtual this year on October 28th of 2020. Information will be on the city's website shortly. Please join us. It's going to be different and a lot of fun. At Wednesday night's City Council meeting, the full council joined in a tribute to Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg. It was quite lovely, and if you would like to see it, go to the city's website, click on Watch Meetings Online, go to the September 23rd, 2020 meeting. It's right before we adjourn, so if you want, you can just fast forward to the end. In closing, keep up the good work on slowing the spread of COVID-19. Wash your hands often, wear that face covering, and I've learned that white or light colored face coverings seem to photograph better than dark ones, so keep that in mind when you're getting ready to do any holiday pictures. And distance from others by at least 6 feet. Worship, dine, and play outside, and stay within your pod. Thank you for joining me again today.